Massive potato chips production lines demand flawless coordination, from high-tech harvesting to precision slicing and seasoning. In large-scale potato cultivation for mass production, potatoes are typically grown in expansive fields. When the potatoes reach maturity and are ready for harvest, farmers employ formidable machinery, such as advanced potato harvesters designed for large-scale operations. These robust machines play a pivotal role in the efficiency of the harvest process. With their mechanical arms and digging mechanisms, the harvesters carefully unearth the potatoes from the soil, simultaneously separating them from the vines. The harvested potatoes are transported to enormous warehouses before making their way to the processing factory. These warehouses serve as intermediate storage facilities where the potatoes are temporarily housed in bulk quantities. The vast quantity of harvested potatoes undergoes a meticulous sorting process, a combination of automated systems and human intervention. High-capacity conveyor belts transport the potatoes through the facility, where sophisticated machinery and mechanisms come into play. Automated sorting equipment utilizes sensors and imaging technology to identify and separate potatoes based on size, shape, and quality criteria. However, given the sheer volume and the nuanced nature of identifying defects, human workers play an integral role in the process. Following the sorting stage, the potatoes move on to a comprehensive washing process. This step is crucial for the removal of dirt, debris, and other impurities that may have accumulated during harvesting and transportation. Immersed in water or subjected to high-pressure sprays, the potatoes undergo a thorough cleansing, preparing them for subsequent stages in the production line. Where peeling is part of the process, specialized machinery is employed to efficiently remove the potato skins. The cleaned and prepped potatoes move on to the slicing phase. In the context of massive production, slicing machines play a pivotal role in ensuring uniformity and efficiency. These slicing machines are designed to handle the large volume of potatoes that pass through the factory each day. Potatoes are fed into the machines, and precision blades swiftly cut them into thin, consistent slices. The potato slices undergo a crucial step known as blanching, which involves briefly immersing the slices in hot water or steam. It serves as a pre-cooking step, partially cooking the potato slices. While the blanching time is relatively short, it softens the potato cells and helps set the structure of the chips. The sliced and dried potatoes are then fried in vegetable oil at high temperatures. The duration of frying is carefully controlled to achieve the desired level of crispiness and golden color. In the final stages of potato chip production at large-scale factories, the warm, freshly fried chips move along conveyor belts to sophisticated seasoning stations. The seasoning process is a crucial step in adding flavor and variety to the chips, and it is executed with precision using advanced machinery. They pass through seasoning drums or rotating machinery specially designed for uniform seasoning distribution. These seasoning drums are equipped with intricate systems that evenly coat the chips, with flavorings such as salt, spices, and other seasonings. The rotation of the machinery ensures that every chip receives a consistent and thorough coating, contributing to the overall quality and taste of the final product. Large-scale factories employ automated machinery for packaging of the seasoned and freshly made chips. They precisely measure and dispense the appropriate quantity of chips into each bag or container. The packaging materials are often made of a combination of materials to maintain the freshness and crispiness of the chips, while providing a protective barrier against external elements. The automated machinery seals the bags or containers. Finally, following the packaging phase, the potato chips are ready for distribution. Distribution involves transporting the packaged chips to various retailers, supermarkets, and other points of sale. This phase of the process requires a well-organized logistics system involving trucks and other transportation methods to deliver the chips to their destination. If you've enjoyed learning about this intricate production line, be sure to like and subscribe for more engaging content on harvesting and manufacturing processes. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on our channel. Thank you for watching The Smart Farm.